Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to add Finsweet to Webflow. And this is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So what we're going to do first is to simply open our web browser and go to our Chrome Web Store. Here, we're going to search for Finsweet extension for Webflow. Now, what we're going to do next is to add this extension onto our browser. What you need to know about this feature or this extension is that it is a fantastic companion for anyone using the Webflow platform to design and build website, by the way, which we will be looking into um, after adding or putting in. So here in the left hand corner, you can actually see the Finsweet button here below in this toolbar section. Now, the first thing that you can see under it is the candies section. So in your candies, what you can add onto the website or your content are 301 bulk redirects, breakpoints, cookie consent, custom codes, interaction, CSS style recorder, custom code, remove classes, remove styles, and the likes. So those are the things that you can add, and say, for example, we would like to have cookie consent. So there are actually pre-built examples that you can actually copy. If you want to preview it first before copying it, then you can click on that one. Right, let's try to preview one. And this is how it would look like basically. So once you created a page and you would like to have a cookie consent to the person going into it, then you can actually add that one right there. All right. So another thing that we can do is that we're going to go over our code. So here you could also add your custom code. So if you want to add a code for your footer and header, then you can actually do that right there. You could also see your page history. So you can activate it by clicking on this button right here. And by then you would be able to activate your page history navigation. Now, next thing that you can see is your client first. Here in your client first, it consists of add core page structure, add spacing system, fluid design generator, and the likes. All right. So for our fluid design generator, this is how it looks like basically. So there are actually certain codes that you can copy, and then you also have your folders right here. All right, so the next section that we have is our attribute section, which you can see there are actually a lot of components that you could add onto it. So under attributes, you can have your CMS, tabs, your code highlight if you would want to highlight a code block. And then we also do have other stuff right here, okay, like this one. You can simply copy the codes and generate it, and there you have it. So you also have the table of contents under the attributes section if you would want to add that onto your web page. Next is the products. This is especially for those people who would like to create a store. So basically here under products, these are the different products actually for Finsweet or under Finsweet. So this includes Webflow hacks, client first, Cal invite, and you can click on visit site if you're interested in that specific topic. All right. So here you could actually see hacks on what to input in your Finsweet and how you can use it basically. So these are different kinds of blogs that would help you out in your Finsweet. And we also have our change log. Okay. So here with the change log, you can actually see the changes and updates that are applicable in Finsweet. So now let's talk about the different kinds of things or reasons to add the Finsweet extension onto your Webflow. So the very first reason that we actually have for using Finsweet for our Webflow is its enhanced functionality. So if you use the Webflow platform for designing your website and also developing it, the Finsweet extension would specifically designed to enhance your experience with Webflow. So it provides a range of different features and tools that would actually complement and extend the capabilities of the platform, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. So basically, it would help you out since it's very easy to use and it's also easy to understand how to use it. Now, second is its time and cost efficiency. So, the Finsweet extension offers various time saving features that help you speed up your design and development process. With pre built components and templates, you can quickly add ready made elements to your projects without starting from scratch. It enables bulk actions, allowing you to make changes across multiple elements simultaneously, saving your valuable time and effort. And for the last reason that we have right here is actually a very important one and a very unique one. So with Finsweet, you actually get to have regular updates and support. So if you actually see, and as I mentioned a while ago, you can see here below there is a change log, and in that section you can actually see the different kinds of updates that Finsweet is actually having on their platform or extension. So basically if there are new um, things, then you get to be updated using the change log. And basically, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you so much for watching.